Why we'll never reach absolute zero? Science explains. Absolute zero is one of the most fascinating concepts in physics. It represents the lowest theoretically possible temperature, equivalent to 273.15 degrees Celsius or 0 Kelvin. At this state, the thermal motion of particles would be so reduced that it would nearly cease. Despite seeming simple in theory, reaching absolute zero in practice is impossible due to the barriers imposed by the laws of physics. Thermodynamics, an impassable limit. The second law of thermodynamics states that it's impossible to remove all thermal energy from a system to reach absolute zero in a finite number of steps. This means that no matter how much we try to cool a system, there will always be a residual amount of energy that prevents it from reaching 0 Kelvin. This process is comparable to a race where the finish line is always one step ahead. As we approach absolute zero, it requires exponentially greater effort to reduce the remaining heat, making complete cooling unfeasible. The quantum mechanics barrier. Beyond the limitations of thermodynamics, quantum mechanics adds another layer of complexity. Heisenberg's uncertainty principle prevents particles from having defined position and momentum at the same time. Even at extremely low temperatures, there is a minimum energy called zero-point energy. This residual energy is inevitable and prevents the particle's motion from completely ceasing, making absolute zero an unattainable limit. What have we achieved? Despite the challenges, scientists have managed to get incredibly close to absolute zero. In specialized laboratories using laser cooling and cryogenic techniques, temperatures have been recorded at just billionths of a Kelvin above absolute zero. These advances allow us to explore phenomena such as superconductivity and Bose-Einstein condensates, opening new frontiers in physics and technology. Adventurers, every subscribe is a step forward in our quest. Join us by hitting that subscribe button and help us unravel more secrets of our amazing world. Your support is our greatest adventure. Thanks, and see you in the next exploration.